CRV seat cover installation video. Remove the headrest. Open the zipper, with the airbag logo facing outward, and put on the seat cover. Press the reserved hole position onto the clothing. Use an artboard to insert the bottom into the gap. Unhook the hanging rope at the bottom of the car seat. Turn over the leather of the original car and cover it with a seat cover. Velcro design at the bottom of the seat cover. Pull it out and stick it on. Flat edge on the inner side. Cover with seat cover. Push the strap to the bottom of the seat. Adjusting the edges with an artboard. Extend the straps to the second row. There is a backpack strap design at the bottom of the seat cover. Install the hook. Hang the hook. Install the headrest cover. Install headrest. Second row installation. Remove the headrest. Place the seat cover on the corresponding hole position. Press the reserved hole position onto the clothing. Plug the foam rod into the gap. Velcro on the back. Adjusting the edges with an artboard. Move the back of the seat and insert the bottom of the seat cover into the gap. Stick on the Velcro at the bottom. Move the backrest of the seat. Align the hole position, and cover the seat cover. Backpack strap design for tight installation. Push the strap onto the bottom of the seat. Install and tighten the backpack strap. Install the headrest cover. Install headrest. Install the headrest cover. Complete installation.